Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 6th week of Christmas here at the Woolery. And we have our new fancy fiber gift. So I hope while you're staying toasty warm and hopefully enjoying cocoa, coffee, or tea, you can enjoy the Christmas Woolens applique ornament kit. This is something a little bit different for us. We haven't done a lot of applique stuff in the past, so now you get to exercise your embroidery skills if you have those. And if not, this is a great way to learn because it teaches you all of the basics. So this is regularly $18.99, still a deal because you're getting pure merino felt in there, not the acrylic stuff. This is real nice, sturdy, pretty merino. And we have it on sale for $14.99, so that's a pretty good savings and a really fun way to learn how to make some cute little country-style Christmas ornaments. So we have a few that I did up. My personal favorite being the sheep. I added some fresh cinnamon sticks. I figured that'd be kind of a nice little touch. So we've got a little sheep, the little snowman with the moon and stars, holly berries and leaves, so that's a nice little cute one. And it also has stocking patterns in it, so you have a little Christmas tree, a little black cat, which is super cute, and another adorable one, a little Santa stocking. So you get to learn how to do a blanket stitch if you've never done that before. You can do French knots, which I actually opted to add some really pretty shiny glass beads because if you can't glitter at the holidays, when else can you? So it gives it a little extra pop and dimension. You do daisy stitch and you'll do chain stitch on some of them. So you'll do it for the garland on the Christmas tree and the cute little snowman's hat. So yeah, this is gonna be another fun holiday idea, and you get 6 ornaments, fun for gifting, fun for decorating your own tree. Thanks a lot, guys, and happy holidays.